Between me and you, I choose to be us. Between my choice and your choice, I choose our choice. Between fact and reality, I choose to transparent with you. Between like and dislike, I choose to love you the most. Yes, that's called true love. Everything was between me and you, and that's where my world ended. I hoped you would be my last, but you changed very fast. I tried to be strong, but I don't know what went wrong. I tried and tried, yet I failed. You still laughed and said sad. All we had turned to dust, while my heart started to rest.